Hi there, it's Michelle. Welcome to the Art Extravaganza Day. I hope you girls are having lots of fun. This is my layout that I've created for the Art Day using the new Sunflower and Bee range. I absolutely loved how this paper came out. My page is quite quick and easy. I have created a little mini album for you to play with. I will share those notes separately. For your basic layout, all you're going to use is 2 white sheets of paper. Then you are going to be using your pattern paper, this beautiful one that has got the sunflowers and the script. You're going to cut it to 30 centimeters wide, and then you're going to divide it at 15 and 15 centimeters. You will see I have used that panel over there for the top half here, and then for this one I've turned it around and I have used that panel. Don't worry that your text is upside down, nobody is going to notice. Alright, so these are 15 centimeters wide. Then we move on to our next block, which is 6 centimeters. That is cut from the dots, which is on the back of this paper. So these are 6 by 30. And then below that you have 2 strips, and they are 30 centimeters wide as well. And we are using our beautiful stripe paper. Alright, so those form the background of your page. Then all you need to do, these are your 2 main photo mats. You're going to mat them on yellow. The yellow you will find on the back of this pattern paper. And they're both raised on foam. So one goes on the left-hand page, one goes on the right-hand page. Then you're going to add 4 smaller photo mats on the top left-hand side of your page here. And I've added one of the lanterns as an accent. And then I'm going, with my leftover paper, I've created one last photo mat on the left hand side, also with the lantern. You will see I've then fussy cut all my elements and I have added them to the bottom of the right hand page. I started with the sunflower that has the circle, the blue quote that says blooming, and then love blooms here, the little grey one. So those were my base. Then I created my I created my envelopes, raised them on foam. And then I added some sunflower clusters, and they are also raised on foam. All right, remember with all your flowers and elements, you are going to gloss them. So just using clear gloss and some glitter, you can create some beautiful effects on your page. Remember, don't cover the entire thing with gloss. Cover pieces as if you are drawing your sunflower. And then sprinkle glitter on it while it's still wet, and then it gives you that beautiful shiny glossy effect. All right, and then add a few bees here and there just for some extra texture. All right, then on the left hand page excuse me, sorry, I have the big title. So what I've done with the title was I went with white ink. So I started with the white, inked the entire thing. Then I used Distress ink with my blending tool. You can use any yellow that you've got, and I've done half like an ombre effect with the yellow. After that, I then went with my gloss, and lastly I sprinkled some translucent glitter over it to give it that beautiful sparkle. All right, and then lastly I added my booklet to the bottom of the page, and that is interactive. If you don't like booklets on your page, just create this. You don't have to create the whole booklet. So that just opens up, opens up, opens up, opens up. All right, so you've got space for lots and lots of photos inside the little booklet. All right, I will do a separate video with the booklet instructions, and I hope you're having fun. Thanks, girls.